दोनों का आप साथ में प्रिपेयर करोगे या अलग अलग?
अलग।
पहले एक करोगे?
हाँ।
पूरा किट ही आता है इसका, है ना, हर एक का। So the Derma Light Reglow kit was opened in front of me, and the Gluta was prepared. Means the IV drip was prepared. The injections were put inside the sealed bottles, and they were then put inside the saline. ये क्या होता है? ये विटामिन है? This is that PRP machine, GFC machine, and now I'm taking my Gluta.
So that's my.
They called somebody from Suburban, but anyways, my skin is sensitive. ये बे So, मैंने काफ़ी collaborations किए हैं ना पहले. Yeah, when I was like really fierce on social media. Hotel stays, even my marriage and the reception was a lot on collaboration. So I understand now collaborations better. Are you doing a state sponsored collaboration where your brand is being built by the state, sponsoring that boarding, lodging, and trip? Because of your presence there can be some kind of media activity, or because of your nature there can be some kind of movement, or the collaboration is done in such a manner so that you are creating awareness. So I have moved from that collaboration of state sponsored because a lot of people would say that Payal supports a thought process, so you know उसकी collaborations हो रही है, ये हो रही है. But then a lot of people say that Kangana got her national awards because you know she was supporting a thought process and ideology, though she's a good actor. So people तो बोलते हैं, लोगों का काम है कहना. You have to see what is working for your conscience and for your ethics. जैसे अभी सब वाकफ के ऊपर ड्रामा करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. I don't know the law in detail, but all I know is that something that was put as a bill in the parliament and argued, you had to counter it at that time in the parliament. You understand? Why didn't you counter it at that time? That is why ये जो छपरा वपरा है nonsense, इसके लिए मैं renewal के लिए application submit करके आई हूँ. अब वो लोग करे ना करे उनके ऊपर है, but I have done my job. Because कल मैं जो skin doctor के पास गई, she was operating out of a society, and वो society के अंदर, मतलब building के अंदर, there were 3-4 commercial shops, not one commercial shop, 3-4 commercial shops. So I think owners of houses are pushing for their property to be, you know, leased out as commercial property because they get more rent technically. But when it becomes a commercial property, the so-called invisible good for nothing society wants to try to create an issue for them. So वहाँ पे भी कोई बिल्ला विल्ला लगा हुआ था कि any kind of commercial activity act having on this property is illegal. So some drama they was doing. But I was feeling bad for this doctor. She was a new girl. She must have spent considerable amount of money in her interior because उसकी interior contact थी उनसा. So when you spend money on interior, you have to understand that the property is your own or the property is leased out. If the property is leased out, you have to understand that you have to finish your tenure. So it's a very very vicious cycle. बिकॉज ओनर ने तो पैसे लगाए नहीं है, ओनर ने तो सिर्फ प्रॉपर्टी लेट आउट करी है. ओनर ने लेट आउट करी मगर सोसाइटी के वेले लोग जो सब जगह होते हैं ओवर स्मार्ट बनते हैं. बिकॉज एवरी सोसाइटी हैज़ people who want to let out their places for commercial activity. You cannot control the entire building saying that ये residential ही रहेगी नहीं. This property can also become a commercial property out and out. A restaurant can open from the terrace. मगर मैं उसके लिए इतना माथा कुटी क्यों करूँ? Because I am not like dying to start a livelihood. You understand? मेरे को जो सीखना था वो मैंने सीख लिया, क्योंकि रेस्टोरेंट चालू करने के लिए बाथरूम करना पड़ेगा टेरेस के ऊपर, वो कियोस्क जैसा ड्रेनेज करना पड़ेगा. तो कौन इन लोगों के मुंह लगे, कौन अपना दिमाग ख़राब करे? बिकॉज यू चूज़ योर फाइट्स, यू चूज़ योर बैटल्स. सो जस्ट कीपिंग इट वेरी क्लियर इन माई हेड कि मेरा जो इंटीरियर होगा घर का होगा. टेरेस के ऊपर मैं हाथ ही नहीं लगाऊंगी, बिकॉज टेरेस के ऊपर मैं पैसा लगाऊंगी तो ये लोग आ जाएंगे. बिकॉज आफ्टर ऑल वेले लोग हैं ना. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड? बिकॉज फ्लोर का ओसी नहीं आया, तो फ्लोर का ओसी नहीं आया तो मैं FSI खरीद के परमानेंट कवरिंग तो कर ही नहीं सकती हूँ. तो दिस इज़ अ डेलिब्रेट अटेम्प्ट. तो टेरेस के ऊपर खर्चा करने का ही नहीं, बिकॉज अगर टेरेस के ऊपर खर्चा करेंगे देन दे कैन हैव ड्रामा हैपनिंग. अभी क्या ड्रामा करेंगे? मैं ऑलरेडी BMC में 4 घंटे बैठ के लगा के आ गई हूँ ना हाजिरी कि भैया मैं रिन्यूअल के लिए गई थी. सो आई एम जस्ट ट्राइंग टू टेल यू दैट India and Indian laws also you need to understand. India and Indian social media you need to understand. India and Indian collaborations you need to understand. Yeah, so my collaboration was not with some Dermalite infusion. They had not given me the kit free of cost. I even paid the doctor with whom I went and took the IV. It's not as if we did some collaboration. But I have realized over a period of time that just like I did not have information, there may be a lot of other actors and women and men who must be taking these, IV drip infusions without having proper information, without having that kit open in front of them. So that pharma kit needs to be opened in front of you, and that preparation needs to be done in front of you. Just like a Botox preparation needs to be done in front of you. Got it?